Hartek-Technologies Company Limited is located in Guangzhou City, China. Our company is a national high-tech enterprise that specialized in manufacturing of polymer processing laboratory equipment. Since the inception, we continuously pursue excellence, pioneering and innovation. We have acquired the ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate and CE Certificate. We have provided over 400 sets of laboratory processing equipment for more than 300 universities, research institutes, and companies globally, which helps our customers accelerate their researches and create value for customers. Our main products include single screw extruder, twin screw extruder, hot melt extruder, casting film machine, blow film machine, sheet extrusion calendar, pipe and bar extruder, membrane mixer, and two-roll mill, etc. The single screw extruder is mainly used for melting, plasticizing, and extrusion molding of polymer materials. It can be combined with different downstream auxiliary machine to compose lab pelletizing extrusion line, lab cast film extrusion line, lab line film extrusion line, lab sheet extrusion line, lab medical pipe extrusion line, etc. Different parts of the machines are easily switched or modified, with advantage of miniaturization, intelligent, and high precision. The twin screw extruder is mainly used for blending modification, additive dispersion, fiber reinforced, poly reaction, exhausting and devolatilization, etc. The key advantage is very small amount of dosage needed. As low as 100 grams materials can get the test result. Screw in modular style. Its combination can be adjusted according to user's needs. Intelligent control system and user-friendly HMI for easy and smooth operation. Hartek has always been at the forefront of the industries. Acquired a decade of great experience. We have won deeply the trust of both our domestic and international customers. Hartek equipment was widely adopted by European and American professional laboratories, university researching institutes, and plastic and rubber manufacturers. In the future, Hartek will keep working to provide higher quality products and excellent services to our customers.